You're in the fire. Deadlines looming, stakes high, everyone watching. Your heart's pounding, your mind's racing, and one wrong move could cost you everything. How do you not just survive but dominate under pressure? Welcome to Valoric. Today, we're unlocking the secret to peak performance under pressure in 2 minutes. Bhagavad Gita. This is for you, the hustlers, the warriors, the men who watch this channel to conquer, not crumble. We're diving into your drive, your battles, to reveal 5 timeless principles from the Bhagavad Gita, fused with psychology, to make you a machine when the heat's on. Miss this, and you're stuck choking in the clutch. Stay, and you'll perform like a god in 2 minutes flat. Let's dive in. You're the Valoric viewer, 25 to 40, male, built for the grind. You're the entrepreneur sealing deals, the athlete chasing records, the leader rallying teams. You read the 48 Laws of Power, hit the gym, vibe with Huberman or Peterson. You've felt pressure's grip. A pitch that tanked, a game you froze in, a moment you cracked. A 2021 study found 70% of high achievers struggle under stress. You're not here for fluff. You want a battle-tested secret to shine when it counts. These 5 Gita-inspired principles, backed by psychology, are your weapons to master pressure and own the moment. Principle 1. Detach from outcomes. The Gita's Krishna tells Arjuna to act without obsessing over results. You're the guy who'd kill for a win, but that hunger makes you tense. A 2019 study on performance anxiety found outcome fixation cuts focus 40%. Under pressure, your job is the action, not the score. Pitching a deal? Focus on your delivery, not their nod. In a game, nail the play, not the scoreboard. Start today. Before a big moment, say, I do my best, the rest isn't mine. You're the Valoric Titan. Control your effort, not the universe. Principle 2. Anchor in purpose. Krishna urges Arjuna to fight for duty, not ego. You're driven, maybe by money, fame, or legacy, but pressure exposes shaky motives. A 2020 study found purpose-driven people handle stress 35% better. You're the guy chasing a bonus, but why? To provide, to prove, to build. Clarify it. Before a high-stakes task, write one sentence. I'm doing this to your why. It steadies you. You're the Valoric visionary. Your purpose is your shield, keeping you calm when chaos hits. Principle 3. Master your breath. The Gita emphasizes inner calm, and breath is its gate. You're the guy who'd power through nerves, but your racing heart betrays you. A 2018 study found slow breathing cuts stress 30% in under a minute. Under pressure, inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Do it 3 times. Before a speech, a lift, a negotiation, breathe. You're the Valoric warrior. Your breath is your sword, slicing through panic to keep you sharp. Principle 4. Focus on the present. Krishna tells Arjuna to act in the now, not the past or future. You're the guy replaying old failures or fearing tomorrow's fallout. A 2019 study found present-focused attention boosts performance 25%. Under pressure, narrow your world to one task. Writing a proposal? Just the next sentence. In a fight? Just the next move. Say, this moment, this action. You're the Valoric Alpha. The present is your arena, where you're untouchable. Principle 5. Embrace the grind. The Gita teaches that struggle is sacred. Action is worship. You're the guy who'd curse pressure as unfair, but that's weakness talking. A 2020 study found embracing challenges increases resilience 40%. See pressure as your forge, not your foe. Before a big moment, tell yourself, this is my test, and I'm built for it. You're the Valoric king. Pressure doesn't break you, it shapes you into a legend. Why do these principles hit you? You're not average. You're the Valoric viewer, urban, ambitious, fighting for wealth, status, legacy. You've choked, a deal you fumbled, a stage you froze on, a chance you missed. A 2021 study found 80% of driven men crack under high stakes. You know pressure's a beast, but you're here to tame it. The Gita's wisdom, paired with science, isn't just ancient. It's your blueprint to perform when it counts. Let's read your mind. You're watching Valoric because you're done folding. You felt pressure's weight, a pitch that tanked, a deadline that crushed, a rival who outshone you. A 2020 study found 75% of ambitious men lose focus under stress. You're not here for excuses. You want tools to dominate. You're the entrepreneur risking it all, the athlete pushing limits, the dreamer building a name. These principles are your edge to shine when the world's watching. Traps to avoid. Don't obsess over perfection. Chasing flawless results chokes you. Don't fake calm. Shallow breathing or bravado won't cut it. Don't dwell on past flops. They're gone. Don't reject pressure. It's your teacher. A 2019 study found balanced stress management boosts success 30%. You're the guy who goes all in. Commit to these principles, not half measures. How do you start? Today, detach. Before a task, say, I act not for the win, but for the work. Anchor. Write your why for one goal. Breathe. Try the 4-4-6 cycle before a tense moment. Focus. Name your next step in a high-pressure task. Embrace. Tell yourself, this pressure's my forge. One move per principle and you're already clutch. You're the Valoric man who moves fast. Act now. Practically, build systems. Journal daily. Note one pressure moment and how you applied a principle. Did it work? Tweak it. Practice breathwork. 4 to 4 to 6 twice daily. Before big tasks, write your purpose and one action to focus on. Audit your week. When did pressure hit? How'd you handle it? A 2020 study found reflection lifts performance 25%. If you're the entrepreneur, breathe before pitches. If you're the athlete, focus on the play, not the crowd. If you're the leader, anchor in your team's mission. Tailor these to your fight. This matters because you're built for greatness. You're not just a guy, you're a force. A 2021 study found 70% of driven men underperform under pressure. You felt it. The fumbled line, the shaky hand, the missed shot. The Gita's wisdom is your weapon. Perform under fire, not just in calm. You're the Valoric titan who builds empires, not excuses. These principles are your key to clutch. Fear might creep in. You'll worry about looking weak. You're not. Calm is strength. You'll fear failing again. Good. Failure's your teacher. You'll stumble, maybe freeze. Fine. Adjust. A 2019 study found error-based learning sharpens skills 20%. You're the man who grows fast. Use that. These principles don't make you soft. They make you deadly. Sustain this with rituals. Journal nightly. What pressure did you face? How'd you perform? Meditate 5 minutes daily with 4-4-6 breaths. Practice one principle weekly. Detach 1 week. Focus the next. Surround yourself with men who thrive. Your crew shapes 50% of your mindset, per a 2018 study. Pick allies who perform, not panic. You're the Valoric king. Build a court that fuels your rise. This isn't just about pressure. It's about you. Every choke, every crack costs your dreams, your edge, your name. The Gita isn't just scripture. It's your battle plan. You're not here to fold. You're here to rule your moment. One truth to end. Peak performance isn't luck. It's discipline. Villains crumble under pressure. Kings command it. Master these secrets. Detach, anchor, breathe, focus, embrace. And you're not just ready. You're relentless. Own the fire and the world bows. Do me a favor. Share this with a brother buckling under pressure, losing his shot, needing a spark. A friend who must perform now. Help him ignite. Subscribe if you're done choking and ready to reign. Stay sharp. Stay strategic. Stay valorous. The moment you master pressure is the moment you become unstoppable.